Hey, fifth grade. It's Mrs. Cole here to show you a little bit about our math vocabulary. And so this week we're going to be reviewing the word sum, which is the answer to an addition problem, difference, which is the answer to a subtraction problem, product, which is the answer to a multiplication problem, and quotient, which is the answer to a division problem. Now, if you practice these with your teachers, you're going to know exactly what to say. So I'm going to go like this. When I say sum, you say add, sum, add, sum, add. When I say difference, you say subtract, difference, subtract, difference, subtract. When I say product, you say multiply, product, multiply, product, multiply. When I say quotient, you say divide, quotient, divide, quotient, divide. Now, so you guys have probably already practiced those 4 words. This week we're going to add 4 more. We're going to learn even. Now I know you guys know what even numbers are, but I want you to be able to look at really large, unfamiliar numbers and tell immediately if they're odd or even. Okay? So we're going to learn a little chant for each of those. And then we're going to learn prime and composite because you guys are going to be working with these this week. Okay? So, even. This is how it goes. I'm going to go like this. If the last digit's even, the whole number's even. Okay, you guys try that with me. If the last digit's even, the whole number's even. And then I'm going to say, give me the even digits. When I say that, you're going to go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, let's try that together. Say the word even. Say it with me. If the last digit's even, the whole number's even. Give me the even digits. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Awesome. Let's go to the next word. Odd. It's going to be kind of like the first one, except we're going to change the digits. Say the word odd. Listen to me first. If the last digit's odd, the whole number's odd. And then I'll say, give me the odd digits, and you'll say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's try it. Read the word, odd, and do it with me. If the last digit's odd, the whole number's odd. Give me the odd digits. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Awesome. Now, using that, I want you to very quickly look at a number like this. 278, odd or even. You don't have to look at the whole thing. You look at the last digit. It's an even digit, so the whole number's even. If I gave you something like 13,569, you want to know if it's odd or even? You look immediately at the last digit. It's a 9. 9 is an odd digit. The whole number's odd. All right. We're going to go to 2 new words, okay? Now, this week you're going to be learning all about prime. So we're going to learn a little song about prime, and I hope as you learn about prime numbers, it'll make sense to you. So, you're going to repeat after me. Now, this one goes to the beat of Addams Family. Na 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 na. 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 Okay? So that's kind of how it goes. So, first of all, you're going to say the word prime. Okay? Say the word again. Prime. I'm going to do the first verse. These numbers are prime. Snap, snap. These numbers are prime. Snap, snap. Okay? So that tells you that we're going to talk about prime numbers. Well, what are prime numbers? That's the next verse. Their factors are 1 and only themselves. These numbers are prime. Snap, snap. So let's try that together. These numbers are prime. These numbers are prime. Their factors are 1 and only themselves. These numbers are prime. Now, what that means when I say that, I say it's a prime number. The definition of that is it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Here are some common prime numbers. These aren't all of them, but if you memorize these, you'll at least know the first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 prime numbers, okay? So, here's how the song goes. I'm going to do the first 2 verses, and then we're going to add on to it. These numbers are prime. These numbers are prime. Their factors are 1 and only themselves. These numbers are prime. There's 2, 3, 5, and 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and then there's 31. These numbers are prime. Okay, great. Now, opposite of a prime number is a composite number. Now, composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. They have to have at least 3 factors or more to be composite. And down here are just a few examples of them, like the number 4, because it has 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 2. 2 times 2 is 4. It has 3 factors. That makes it composite. 6 has 1 times 6. It also has 2 times 3. So it has 4 factors. That makes it composite. 8 has 1 times 8 and 4 times 2. 1, 8, 4, 2. It has 4 factors. That's more than 2 factors, so it is composite. 9. Now this is funny because sometimes people think that odd numbers can't be composite, but they sure can. 9 has more than 2 factors. It has 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So it has 3 factors. That gives it more than 2 factors. It makes it composite. Now here's how our chant's going to go for this. This is one where you repeat. And I know it's kind of weird because I'm doing it myself, but you're going to repeat after me. Composite, composite, easy as pie. Then you say, composite, composite, easy as pie. 3 or more factors, and that's no lie. You say, 3 or more factors, and that's no lie. Then I'm going to say these words. Sound off. You're going to say 4, 6. Then I'm going to say sound off. You're going to say 8, 9. Then I'm going to say break it all down, and you're going to say 4, 6, 8, 9. All right, let's try it one time. Composite. Say the word. Composite. Repeat after me. Composite, composite, easy as pie. Composite, composite, easy as pie. 3 or more factors, and that's no lie. 3 or more factors, and that's no lie. Sound off. 4, 6. Sound off. 8, 9. Break it all down. 4, 6, 8, 9. Thank you guys for practicing vocabulary with me.